Alright, this is a video to show students how to use CATME, which is a peer evaluation tool that Daniels College of Business uses to evaluate team members and peers within the class. So you should be getting an email from a professor with the subject line of CATME peer evaluations, and I'll share you a link that'll take you to this website. Now, if you have to make an account or use an existing account, you must use your du.edu email address. Usually it's first name dot last name at du.edu. Once you're in, you'll be shown a list of all the evaluations that you have completed or need to complete. This will depend on how many of your professors are using the CATME system. It's at this screen where you'll be able to look at your previous results from other evaluations. I will go over that later in a different video, or complete the activity that you are assigned to do currently. I do want to note that this interface calibration thing is basically a test for the CATME system. It is not necessary to do, it is not a requirement anymore, so you're better off just ignoring it for the time being. So from here we can go ahead and get started. So click on the complete activity button for whatever class you are going to complete this activity for. And that'll take you to a list of instructions. Make sure to read the instructions carefully. They essentially say that you will be evaluating your peers in your group, who will be displayed on the next screen. I will be blocking them out for confidentiality, and basically say to grade them accurately and fairly. So when you're ready, go ahead and hit complete activity, and that'll take you to the first set of questions. The amount of questions will be dictated by your professor. Some will be different than others. So now we are on the actual set of questions. You have your group members here at the top. You may have 2, you may have 3, you may have 5. Depending on how many group members you have will depend on how many people you have to evaluate. And you'll be evaluating all your group members on the same questions. Now you have to make a choice on how your group members performed, including yourself, based on these 5 ratings. 3 of them have descriptions. 2 of them are basically in-betweens of the other 3 measures. When choosing how your ratings go, you can choose all 3 people in the highest rating. You can put all 3 people at the bottom rating. You can put everyone in different ratings. The only thing you're not allowed to do is make 2 ratings per person, which makes sense. So I am actually going to take this test seriously, so I'm going to fast forward the next bit and see you on the other side. Alright, so that's how you use the CATME system. Right now you can see our feedback is submitted, and once everyone completes their feedback, Professor will have the opportunity to release all the data for you to look at, and I will go over how to interpret those results in another video. Have a good one and take it easy.